Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the life of one of Hollywood's most celebrated actors, Leonardo DiCaprio, from his humble beginnings to becoming an Oscar-winning icon. We'll dive into his illustrious career, his awards, and the exciting future projects he's working on. Stay tuned for the full story behind the man who has captured millions of hearts worldwide. Leonardo Wilhelm DiCaprio was born on November 11, 1974, in Los Angeles, California. Raised by his mother, Ermeline Indenbergen, after his parents divorced, Leonardo grew up with dreams of making it big in Hollywood. His acting career began with commercials, followed by small roles in TV shows like Parenthood and Growing Pains. In 1991, he made his film debut in Critters 3, but it was just the beginning of what would become an extraordinary journey. Leonardo's breakout moment came in 1993 with his role in What's Eating Gilbert Grape, where he earned his first Academy Award nomination for portraying Arnie, a young boy with a developmental disability. Critics and audiences were captivated by his raw talent. Then came the iconic Titanic in 1997, directed by James Cameron. This epic love story became one of the highest-grossing films of all time, catapulting Leonardo to global superstardom. From Jack Dawson's timeless romance to his captivating performance, Titanic made Leonardo a household name. Post-Titanic, Leonardo avoided typecasting by taking on challenging and diverse roles. In The Aviator 2004, he portrayed Howard Hughes, earning another Oscar nomination. Christopher Nolan's Inception 2010 showcased his ability to lead a mind-bending blockbuster. In 2013, Leonardo delivered one of his most iconic performances as Jordan Belfort in The Wolf of Wall Street, a role that earned him a Golden Globe. Finally, in 2015, his relentless commitment to the craft paid off with an Academy Award for Best Actor for his gripping performance in The Revenant. Over his career, Leonardo DiCaprio has received numerous awards and accolades. He's been nominated for 7 Academy Awards and won 1 for The Revenant. He has also won 3 Golden Globes for The Aviator, The Wolf of Wall Street, and The Revenant, along with a BAFTA and a Screen Actors Guild Award. His performances have not only earned critical acclaim but also cemented his place as one of the greatest actors of his generation. Beyond his acting, Leonardo is a dedicated environmentalist. In 1998, he established the Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation, which has funded projects to combat climate change and protect endangered species. He produced the climate change documentary Before the Flood and has contributed millions of dollars to environmental causes. In 2014, he was named a United Nations Messenger of Peace. Looking ahead, Leonardo has some exciting projects in the pipeline. One of his most anticipated films is Martin Scorsese's Killers of the Flower Moon, set to release soon. Based on a true story, it explores a series of murders in the Osage Nation during the 1920s. Leonardo will also star in The Wager, another historical drama directed by Scorsese. This survival story is based on a shipwrecked crew and their harrowing experiences. Fans are also buzzing about his potential collaboration with Quentin Tarantino on an undisclosed project. Leonardo DiCaprio's journey is nothing short of remarkable. From a child actor to a Hollywood icon and environmental advocate, he continues to inspire millions with his talent and commitment to making the world a better place. With a career full of unforgettable performances and a bright future ahead, Leonardo DiCaprio's legacy is firmly secure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Leonardo DiCaprio. What's your favorite DiCaprio movie? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you next time.